my name's Amelia Armitage, and my business is Claydate PDX. I make ceramics, and I teach custom ceramic lessons for private individuals and also for groups up to 4 people. I've been working on it for months, actually, trying to learn what tools to use myself, and I tried 2 different hosting sites and canceled them and tried with them again and tried to use support, and I just decided that it was taking way too long and I needed some professional help. So I'm so glad that we were able to meet today. It was like way faster than I expected, and it's so nice. Basically, I came in with, I got some photos, and that was sent them over to you via Drive. So that way, you know, we started with a little bit of content, and then when I got here, you gave me like all the step-by-step questions that I needed to ask myself for the content for all the pages. And it was really nice. It was like a brainstorm, and then we picked everything and tailored it to the theme that we chose for the website. So it's like kind of just put it out there, and then it all shook into place. And then it was great how you helped me pick all the colors and really design it the way that I imagined. So when I was initially trying to make it, it's a big jumping off point, because I've been wanting to do a lot of marketing and I've been wanting to reach out to people, but I've been afraid that they won't trust me, or they won't think that I'm legit, and where they'll like the idea of my business but not really know enough about it to commit and book. And so I think this is going to be huge for me to be able to send people to something that's like really professional and is a good representation of who I am and what I'm doing. And I like to, you know, take beautiful pictures of the work, but going out and actually verbalizing what it is that I do face to face has been a big challenge for me. And also, I mean, I could practice that, but there's only so many people I can talk to, just me. So this is just going to be reaching so many more people, and yeah, it's going to be opening a lot of doors. You can go to claydatepdx.com and book a lesson and learn about all of the opportunities at the studio for you. Call Granda right now. Fill out her intake form, and and yeah, you know, start by getting some really good photos and a logo made, and then jump in. But don't try and do it by yourself.